Jaden Shay help you build a life.
Eh? A true?
Me stand up and see Shay help you build a life. Jaden,
Now when that?
remember when you come out and cry how much people want to get rid of you? Shay alone sit down on the live. And she put her body out there. She sound like, yeah, dream now. But watch a girl cuss you until she cry.
Cuss to me.
Cuss for you.
Cuss
And
to
this
me.
is the thanks. This is the thanks. Jaden, this is the thanks you give the girl. Let me come look for you.
No, I'm a good man.
Oh, you mean you're good? And them some me not like within a Jaden.
No, I'm a good man, I'm a good man, I'm a good man. I'll tell you, man.
And your side me depend on.
What?
And your side me depend.
I'm sorry. What do you mean by that?
When you and Shay. Oh, you and Shay kick up. Choose that she mash up your vehicle. And me can't bother beat on the bush in a Jaden.
What's up, man? Listen to me now. Listen to me now.
Me just ask you, Jaden. Look how much things you ask.
Anything you want to know, you ask, sorry. No, man, I saw you going on, man. Some of the time you have your happy face.
No more you look happy. Me not like your energy.
Dance with me happy.
Eh?
Dance with me happy. If you dance with me, you know, me happy.
What? Jaden, what you say? Where you really say, Jaden?
Dance.
Dance make you happy?
Yeah, dance with me happy.
Me for dance for you?
Happy Mother's Day, yeah.
Oh, what kind of showgirl behavior on the Mother's Day, though, God? Jaden, come here. Then my TJ a dog for. My TJ a dog for yesterday.
No, because, you know, say no one on the screen right now, you know?
With no one.
You.
That's what TJ said. I'm surprised. Why would TJ say that about me? Knowing how far we're coming from.
What do you mean by that?
Me and TJ come from far.
What?
Me and TJ come from far.
What do you mean by that? What do you mean by that?
What do you mean? What I mean by that? Ask TJ.
No, man, explain yourself, man. Explain yourself. What do you mean you not come from far? It's from way back like...
Me and
When you
TJ
say
come
far-
from far, like hanging out. You know.
Oh, you not... You usually know TJ?
Yeah, he used to carry me to school.
I like you, I don't believe that. No, I don't believe that. So I said...
A moment of silence.
They win around there.
Then a competition. Then me never know say competition. If me know say competition, me step it up. Come here now. What you say now?
I must deal with listen now.
I wish Shay there. Shay, girl, you miss the whole of this. Wait, me get back my friend.
What?
Yeah. Eh?
What do you mean I get back a friend?
None of you met her, cause pan this me I say.
Oh. So you go that foreigner there?
Yeah.
How much foreign that?
What do you mean you're sharing this? Jaden, you're going to get trouble with the globe. You're Christopher Columbus. Jaden, a Panama European land.
No, me ask how it's foreign that because...
Jaden is, if me tell you now, go to Nebraska.
Nebraska. I want Nebraska. Nebraska.
You know, say I pay far place, me go.
So, yeah, can be a farmer now.
Shay, call my name to you.
Huh? Who that?
I joke me there Panama, I come look for tycoon.
For real? Them say no, them say them America,
Yep.
yes. Them,
Jaden never come US yet.
no, never come.
A rich people place man.
Mm. Me have to go,
Here rich people.
me have to go,
You want me come down and carry the embassy?
huh?
You want me come down and carry the embassy?
No, I'm good, man, I'm good, man.
Jaden, you always a shut me down and this make you drop in a problem. You remember you shut me down for Shay? And take a look at you now.
I saw you go, man. I saw you go, man. I saw you go.
Jaden, you look like you miss Shay though.
Eh?
You look like you miss Shay. You miss her?
You sorry for what?
Me ask you if you miss her.
For what?
So now your friend, you know what kind of friendship then Jaden?
Yeah, me miss her, yes, but listen, you know, it not go be like what you usually be, you know, so you don't miss nobody.
And I'm pretty sure that, let me tell you what, I'm pretty sure that whatever happened, it could have handled much better than this.
I'm pretty sure whatever happened, you know.
Let me first stay for my now. What everybody feels say me a mix up. Jaden, I don't study mix up. What you doing around here?
You know, I study mix up real still.
She didn't tell me anything now. You care to tell me?
Oh,
She
no.
mash up your vehicle. She mash up your vehicle.
Oh, no. Anything I want, let me tell you, anything I want to know, ask Shay, bro.
Me ask her, she said things now gonna be like first time. She said she don't know nobody with name Jaden.
That's very good.
But you know her.
That's very good.
So like how you know her, Jaden. She's I don't want to carry no news, Lord Jesus, because me nearly say things out of my mouth. But anyways, where's TJ?
You want to talk to CJ?
No, I just ask about him well-being.
No, I don't know where I'm call him. Ask him where my be.
I hope him alright, you know.
I hope him alright, too.
Yeah.
I hope him alright, master. You're very concerned, though.
You have his number?
Yeah.
Where you get his number?
What? How long me have TJ number?
You not so tight?
Yeah, so we tight. Hold on, I'm calling you next number. I'm not. Okay.
All I number you have.
Gosh. You know, I get him so bad.
Like where you can't get him, call Shay.
Eh?
Like where you can't get him, call Shay.
For what?
You not try the number them in it. Call TikTok liar.
No, we don't have TikTok line number again.
Or you finna have TikTok liar number again.
We don't have it again. For real.
Call World Dog.
Jesus Christ.
Call World Dog, I want to ask him something. They respond me.
You sure?
Call him on the phone.
No, I can't do him that, man.
Bye.
That's it.
Jaden, I want to pay your bed for one dog head. I want to
I want skull. One bag.
I want bag.
Yeah.
Jaden, your house look neat and clean though.
Yeah, man, my house always neat and clean, man, I see.
No, Jaden, don't push your luck. Come on now, we're getting somewhere.
You want forward?
Huh?
You want forward?
If you want to come in your yard.
Yeah.
Jaden, put them this here. No. No, you murder. No.
Yeah, E-Bull.
Ebol. Who is Ebol? Who is E-Bull?
E-baby.
E-Beer?
B.
Jaden, what kind of language you speak? You get more upset now when I come. I can't understand. I want you to mix up.
Left that alone. Left that alone. Left that alone. Left that alone.
One to Jabas. Jabas, all right? Eh?
No, me can't call.
No, man.
Hey, Shebby, what's up? What's up, Shebby? Long time no
Not a
see.
thing, not a thing, not a thing. My booza, y'all. You know, Jaden, for tell him evening.
No, you know my thin skin when it come on to you.
Oh. All right. You're not for call me, man. My boo is here, my boo is here. Yeah. My baby is here. Jaden, don't look sad. Look glad.
No, me not sad at all, you know. I'm not sad, me sad. Me in a suspense.
So I'm gonna see up on your fridge again. Where fridge
In the Panama.
Tycoon, you don't know somebody at Panama. Stop going like I tell Jaden a while ago.
Panama you there? Never
I
know.
tell Jaden about Panama me there. And you know what I see last night, so stop it. I'm tell him.
What time are you so?
What do you mean? Tycoon, bye.
Tycoon know somebody there at Panama.
Yeah, see me in Panama, yeah.
Tycoon, you know come at the house for me there.
Yeah,
I mean, come at the house for you
yeah,
there.
come my area and be, yeah.
How about Jaden?
Oh, God. No, man.
Jaden,
Tycoon.
how
Why?
How wrong with Shebby?
No.
are
Hey, Shay, what's up, Shay? What's up? Me never take black your Shay.
Where's Shay there?
No, she just passed through upon my
Where's Shay
life.
there? Adar. You know long me look for her.
I'm fair, no, you fair, no, you fair, that. Me and Shay are best. Yeah, me no black Shay. I want Sky Diamond, me say, no.
Are you live?
Yeah, I want Sky Diamond, me say, me can't Shay. I want Sky, me say.
Uh-huh.
Play class Shebada. Like how Jaden say one Shay.
What?
Like how Jaden say one Shay.
Batty boy, stop calling Shay name and stuff. Yeah, Batty man. You call Shay name and stuff.
You will teach me. She will hear me come and go and so.
Me don't know when my act up so far.
I just him.
I can't do send nothing in there because I'm
Chemistry. Him not like the chemistry. Him not like it.
If eat the chemistry, I just him eat. Jaden, you look on real love.
So no kiss the one that I'm missing.
When me and you have is mess around.
And I'm happy for that. Chemistry of dude.
You both have chemistry, yeah.
Douche first.
All the dudes first.
Me douche first, not only me.
What name douche?
In due time.
Both don't couple down if you know what I go on with the nurse man. I mean there so I wait
That's
pan.
no I was shading.
Right, more she do too. Make she tumble on it too.
But she not go, oh she gonna let
Yeah,
it
you know
go.
we're shading.
I sound like you have secret for share. I look like
Me, I mean, no, I not have none for my brother.
You get peace.
I not have no secret for my brother.
Your brother?
Yeah.
I mean brother. Oh, yes.
Shay is my brother.
Look,
Yes, Shay, if you ever figure it out. Tycoon, take 10. Are you cook?
Yeah, me you cook.
Oh, the blood clot.
Oh, make sure you leave, man. Come over. How are you laugh for Jaden?
Oh, the blood clot. What do you mean Shay is a brother?
Say my brother. It's my bro. Same father, same mother.
Boy, no easy, you know. Well, you have a pint still, you know. You have a pint still, but...
Oh, you mean me have a pint? Oh, you mean me have a pint? So you see her as my brother too?
Yeah.
Oh, so you throw one pan Shay and the style.
Last time, I not throw what, you know. My brother let me do it, you know.
Somebody call Shay. Yes, so the mix-up review.
What you know, listen, no. You know what my life be about Shay, no? Because Shay never do no over here, so you have to build my thing, you know. You see, so this life, me not go surround my life around Shay, you know. You see me, I say, Shay over there so I do her thing, and me there so I do my thing. With or without. You see?
Jaden Shay help you build a life.
Eh? A true?
Me stand up and see Shay help you build a life. Jaden.
Now when that?
Remember when you come out and cry how much people want to get rid of you, Shay alone sit down on the live. And she put her body out there. She sound like, God, leave now. But watch a girl cuss you until she cry.
Cuss to me.
Cuss for you.
Cuss
And
to
this
me.
is the thanks. This is the thanks. Jaden, this is the thanks you give the girl. Mrs. Shay Blackwood what here. This is the thanks.
Yes, sir.
Shay Blackwood fear what you so till me run her. And Jaden, this is the thanks.
Oh, this I go too far. This I go too far, you know. You see it. I mean, as me I say, bro, you know what my life be.
Just in a February, Jaden.
Me know want my life be surround around Shay, bro. You see.
So the two no one go apart then. Cause she said she black for you. She black everything for you.
But you know, bro, she there over there, so. And me there over there, so, bro. You see.
I wonder if one did grind. Me just wonder if one did grind. Cause the warrior just look like.
Them grind.
Jaden, I wonder if one did grind. Jaden, if you and my brother grind, you know, Jaden, me don't know where you can tell me, say.
Alright, chat, it look like a time for cut now.